Sorry, I cannot play the song for the copyright. This is the 4-inch speaker, 20 watt, 20 watt, 4 ohms, 4-inch speaker. This is the semi-bass speaker, not bass speaker, semi-bass. And this is the class D amplifier, 15 watt, 15 watt. This is the DC voltage. We can use 8 voltage to 24 voltage. 8 voltage to 20. This speaker output, the storage output. This circuit with Bluetooth, include with Bluetooth. This model is this one. Now I am going to check this circuit. For a small amplifier, we can use this circuit. I am using 12 volts. I am using 12 volts. I cut the wire, connect the speaker with the circuit. I am soldering the wire. This video for the beginner. This video for the beginner hobbyist. Some younger people have who are studying in school. They want to make amplifier themselves. For this case, I am making this video for them. I have to make all kinds of video for learning people and for the younger people also. We have to connect negative and positive. The red one will go to positive and the black wire will go to negative. This is studio amplifier. It has no input. There is no audio input. Only Bluetooth. Only Bluetooth. Studio we can use 12 voltage battery. We can use this amplifier in car and three-wheeler. We also can make audio for motorcycle. Some people like to make audio sound box in their motorcycle. They also can use this circuit. This circuit is very small. Must follow the positive and negative. Positive should be the red color wire and negative should be the black color wire. Now DC voltage I am using 12 volts. The negative will be black color, must black color. Positive must be red color. I want to use a battery, 12 volts battery. You can use 8 volts to 24 volts. I'm checking negative, positive, all are This is the 12 voltage battery. 12 voltage 2.6 ampere. 12 voltage 2.6 ampere. Negative wire, positive wire. Don't mistake to connect the voltage. If you connect wrong, the circuit will blast. Look, the circuit turned, the LED blinking. The bulb wants to connect. Bulb light is blinking. Now connecting the Bluetooth. The model number will come. Send the circuit. Connected, ready. I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. Sorry for that. Good. It's working. You also can make this amplifier easy, simple. Thank you for watching. Here are my number. If you want anything, you can call me. And want any help, you also can call me. Thank you.